Hello, what's up? This is Rain Manguera and this is the Kotman channel. Meron po tayong i-unbox ngayon at i-demo na rin na Ugreen new products, and this time they have this collaboration with Genshin Impact, and this one I believe is the limited, take notes, a limited edition Kinich theme. Nalaro ko na tong character na to eh. This one is yung pinaka parang yung may tali na character ngayon sa Genshin Impact. You know very well sa mga matagal na rito na I'm a player of Genshin Impact. Not really super avid pero fan pa rin ako. I still consider myself as a Genshin Impact fan. Finally, this one. Okay, this one again, this is a limited edition and ma-avail niyo po ito. Pwede po kayong magkaroon nitong box na to at kasama yung laman niya, which is bubuksan natin. Pwede po kayong magkaroon nito kapag nag-visit po kayo sa kanilang website, bumili kayo ng item or mag-join kayo sa kanilang mga palaro, and pag napili kayo, you can have one of these isasend sa inyong bahay. Okay? So, ano naman ang laman ng package na ito? This limited edition Kinich Team Genshin Impact inspired na box. Okay? Ayan ang alamin natin. So, first of all, bubuksan na natin. You know? So, ako, personally, hindi ko pa nakikita ang laman nito. So, wala rin akong idea kung ano laman nito. So, okay. Yun pala. Yun. Right. Nice. So, this is Kinich. Yeah, this is a new character. Oh, no, not really pinaka-new, pero isa sa mga pinakamalakas ngayon ng mga characters. And gustong-gusto ko to kasi na-test ko na tong character na to. Siya yung may tali na ibabato sa kalaban. So, once na na-hook mo siya, na-trap mo yung kalaban, pwede mo siyang paikutan at bombahin ng mga attacks, combo attacks. This one, kaya gustong-gusto ko yung character na to. Tatanggalin lang pala ito. Ooh, okay. At ito nga ang mga kasama. We have here, ay, meron ako nito eh. I know this one. This power bank supports 130 watts. I know, mas malakas ito. Mine is actually 120 watts lang yata yung akin. This one is much faster. This has a better fast charging technology. 130 watts and up to 20,000 milliamp hour na capacity. This is legit po ito. This one, I personally use this one. Yung isang version ito. So, of course, wala ang ganitong limited edition na theme. May mga prints ng Genshin Impact na Kinich character. So, I can attest this one is a real fast charging power bank. Yeah, this one. Look at that design, oh. And actually, maganda yung print niya, oh, makapal. Ramdam mo talaga yung mga lines ng character. Dito sa gilid, of course, we also have the Ugreen Genshin Impact na logo. Of course, this is the button. Let's see. Ooh! It also has an animation, okay? Mine doesn't have that animation. This one, it has that animation. So, let's try to shut it down again. There! Nagagalit kasi sinutdown ko. Ulit, turn on ulit natin. Yung masaya na siya ulit. Wala, sa mga sa mga mabababaw kagaya ko na mahilig sa mga ganito mga collector's item kasi ito yung mga nilalaro ko or nilalaro nyo rin. And ayun na maintindihan nyo yung konting tuwa ba, pagkaisip bata lang. So yeah, we have this currently dito sa isang tong 100 watts charging. The rest siguro is yung 20 to 30 watts. This one, the Type A, remind ko lang sa inyo kung gagamitin nyo ito. This one is for the slow charging ng mga devices like smartwatch, earbuds, dito yan sa Type A. But also you can use this other Type C for slow charging then. But if you want real fast charging, this one supports up to 100 watts. See that? Alright. Okay, pagpasensya nyo na yung alikabo kasi marami akong husky rito na aso. Of course, we have the other specifications here and uy, meron din logo rito sa ilalim. I believe this character is called Adjo. Yeah, yung partner niya. Yeah, this one is Adjo. This one, this little looking like a small dragon. Yes. Okay, we also have this one. What is this? Oh, I believe this is a wireless charging. Wireless charging nga siya na stand. So, isasaksak I believe dito sa Type C and then we can wirelessly charge here. And it supports up to Qi 2 version. So, as we can see here, supported niya hanggang 20 watts max sa wireless charging. Input niya hanggang 25 watts naman dito. Input po yan pero kaya niya i-charge hanggang 20 watts max. 15 watts para sa iPhone. AirPods, 5 watts. So, supported po niya ang iPhone and iPad. USB-C to out. Oh, may out din siya. Saan to? Oh, okay. So, hindi lang pala siya isa. This one is the input, and on the other side, we have here the USB-C to output. So dito, supported niya hanggang 5 watts lang max sa USB-C out. So mga slow charging lang ito. Again, this is only for the wireless charging Qi2 support. Total output power, 25 watts. Okay, so that means 20 watts and then 5 watts. So 25 watts to total. And of course, we also have the logos, and we have the Genshin Impact Ugreen. Here's the LED. And some other prints as well. Rubber ito para kumapit siya sa smooth surface. Hindi siya basta-basta natutulak. I wonder kung gaano ito kadikit. Ooh, makapit. Look at that, oh. Yan ang suction power ng magnet niya. We can use this as a stand as well. So, kunwari ganyan. And right there. See? Maganda ang suction power nito if I'm not mistaken. No? So, matibay, malakas yung magnet po niya, solid. So, pwede po siya sa iPhone and Android. And basta mayroong Qi wireless charging support. What else do we have here? Ito pa. What is this? Oh, parang lagayan sa likod ng parang phone holder. I wanna check kung pwede. So, ididikit siya. Then, magiging parang holder siya rito. Right. So, sa mga mahilig dyan, mga parang magiging holder nyo sa likod, kung bilis kayo mangalay, yes, you can use this para dito sa ganitong purpose. And of course, pwede rin siyang actually stand. Once na naidikit nyo na kasi ito, siyempre, pwede na siyang stand sa inyong smartphone. Right. Pwede. Tatabi na natin to. Okay, this one is a power brick. Okay, Ugreen, and of course, Kinich pa rin. And si Ajo or Ajo, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. I'm not really dito. But this one is Ajo and this is Kinich. And we have also the Ugreen branding here. And of course, yung pinaka-prongs niya. And they're the emblem or the logo for the collaboration. And right here, ito naman black and white version. This one is 65 watts pala. Fast charging din, 65 watts. I believe this is a gun charger. Tama, I'm right. This is a 65 watts, 3-port gun fast charger. Alright. Meron siyang 3 ports. Right. So, pinakamabilis dito, I believe yung Type-C yan. Ito itong sa una 1. And then, these other 2 probably the slow charger. So, ganito kaliit. Pwede na to. Sa bag nyo, sa kotse, sa motor, pwede na to. Meron na kayong isang ganito lang kaliit na charging brick. Natitiklo pa yan. Ganito lang kaliit na charging brick, kasi na nga ito sa bulsa nyo eh. And 3 na pwede nyo i-charge sabay-sabay. Up to 65 watts. There. Alright. Next. Daming laman nito. Imagine pag napili kayo, mapupunta sa inyo to. Actually, hindi pa siya tapos kasi. As you can see, meron pa tayong laman sa loob. So, this one is the charging cable naman. Okay. Pero feels premium eh. Oh. Ang solid. Matigas siya na makapal. And also, syempre, kapag ka nagkabuhol-buhol, madaling iimisan kasi meron tayong ganitong pang-lock sa cable wire niya. O, di ba? So, pwede mo siyang itabi at ipasok sa bulsa or sa bag. Or sa compartment. Kahit saan pwede. Since meron siyang lock. So, this one is the charging cable. Of course, meron din siyang prints dito. Licensed by MiHoYo, of course. There. And dito sa kabilang side, uy! Solid pala to eh. Up to 100 watts na charging speed. Supported ng cable na to. 100 watts. Okay, buksan na natin. By the way, before we forget, we have here. Meron palang letter dito. Panghuli ko na napansin. Greetings, traveler. As you open, special package. Okay, this is a special package. And nandun din yung emblem ng, I believe this is Kinich or yung kanyang tribe. I don't know. But, there's that. Nice. Let's see kung ano pang laman nito sa loob. Ang solid din pala nito eh. Goma, ganito kapal. Parang package pa lang, mahal na eh. Oh, okay. So, mukha siyang lanyard. So, I believe lanyard ito. Yep. A lanyard or parang more like a lanyard for wrist. And actually maganda yung quality ng ano nyo. Gawa sa bakal tong isang to. Mukha naman matibay din and maganda yung lock niya. Alright. And andito, Kinich. This one is mukhang high quality material. So we have here, and dito rin yung character. Like, right. Kompleto ah. And we have a pouch here. May laman kaya? Uy! Pouch na may lamang pouch din. And I believe meron din tong logo ng Ugreen. Kompleto. Kinich din. For, I believe, the power bank. Pwede rito. Laki eh. Lahat ng nandito, I think, kasya rito. Okay, so pouch. Within that pouch, ano pa laman? Ay, may cable pa pala rito. Oh, Type-C to Type-C. I believe ito yung pang gamit dun sa mga charging brick. Pero babalik ko na lang din. And we have another Ugreen Charging cable, this one medyo maikli. I believe siguro mga ano lang to. Mga 1 foot or 12 inches lang na haba. Ganito kaikli. Yun po ang laman ng pouch. Na may lamang pouch at dalawang cable. We have also the Ugreen and the Genshin Impact with MiHoYo branding. License of course to ni MiHoYo. And yung logo din ni Kinich. Alright, tabi natin. This other one is, what is this? Ooh, I think this is a standy. Kasi meron pa siya rito. So, it's a standy. And nandito rin si Ejo. So, I guess dito sa gilid. It's not bad. It's cute actually. See that? Right. Alright. So, tatabi mo natin dyan. What else do we have? And we also have a parang lagay ng picture frame. Yeah. Parang tingin ko dito ilalagay yung picture. Provided na ididikit mo yata rito sa likod. Lagyan mo na ng pandikit dito. Parang gano'n na. I'm not sure pero you can correct me if I'm wrong. But that's nice. Parang sa Instagram na may like. 2024 likes. 2024 likes. Dami nun ha. Ugreen Genshin Impact. Right. So yan. Para pwede mo ilagay siguro sa table or something. I'm not really sure. And finally, the last piece. Para siyang pin button except hindi siya yung parang kiniclip pero hindi eh. This one looks like magnet. Confirm ko lang kung magnet nga siya. Wait lang. Ano tayo ng bakal? This iPhone. Try natin. Hindi dikit. Okay. Confirm. It's magnetic. See? I'm not sure kung saan ito lalagay. Pwede siguro sa phone din. But it's not that. Hindi siya ganun kalakas ng suction enough para ma-hold yung weight niya. But pwede siguro ito sa freezer. Check ko lang saglit ha. Bakal to eh. Yep. Pwede kahit sa bakal. Pwede po siya. Okay? This is magnetic. Alright, these are what came with the box. Yan, ganyan karami. So, basically, the others are just accessories. But what we can actually use here is the cable. Tabi natin yung mga less utility na mga more like accessories. Tatabi ko lang muna yan. Ihiwalay ko lang saglit. Ito yung pinaka useful dyan eh. So, imagine, mapupunta sa inyo to. Kapag nag-join kayo, again, visit Ugreen website and join their promo about this. You can either purchase or join their contest so you can win this package. All of this will be yours if you are chosen and you get to win. Again, this package is a limited edition Genshin Impact and Ugreen collaboration themed na mga accessories and actually usable gadgets such as this power bank up to 100. Imagine, look at that, 130 watts. And we have the wireless charging. I wonder kung pwede ito sa kotse ko. I think I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it there. If not, maybe pakibenta ko to sa aking Facebook page. I'm not really sure. But if ever, if you're interested, again, visit Ugreen's website to avail this, or you can win one of the limited edition available na package na ito. Okay? Iwan ko yung link sa video description or iwan ko sa pin comments. Pipin ko na lang yung website siguro or basta lahat ng link na related dito sa package na to. Iwan ko sa comment section. Okay? Avail nyo na lang. Alright. So again, this is Rain Manguera. Hindi po ito review. This is just a demo. So, Rain Manguera, I'll talk to you again soon.